Hi there, students. Euphonious. Okay, euphonious is an adjective. I guess you could have the adverb euphoniously. Okay, euphonious means having a pleasant sound, sounding good. The euphonious sounds of the birds singing as dawn breaks. Yeah. The opera singer had a euphonious name appropriate to a singer. Okay, so euphonious, it sounds good, it's pleasing to the ear. Yeah, it sounds beautiful, it's lyrical or mellifluous. Yeah, something that's got this just nice sound to it. You know, there are some words that sound really rather harsh and strong, and then there are other words that sound euphonious. Yeah, agreeable to the ear. Euphonious is the opposite of, well, I'm thinking cacophony, but that's a noun. So a cacophony is the opposite. It sounds really bad and unpleasant. But euphonious, pleasant sounding. Yeah, the singing of the bird was very euphonious. The wind rustling the leaves in the trees is very euphonious. The sound of a river gurgling as it slowly flows downwards, yeah? It's got this musical, tuneful, dulcet sound. That's euphonious. Yeah? But particularly of the way somebody speaks. So he speaks euphoniously. Yeah, the way he speaks sounds very pleasant, very good to the ear. Yeah, it's like there's this symphony coming from his voice. Okay, yeah, a good newsreader or a good television presenter should have a euphonious voice. So pleasant sounding, particularly for speech. Now let's look at the origin, because the origin I quite like. It's from ancient Greek. You've got this prefix eu, meaning good, as in utopia, eugenics, a eulogy. Yeah, that means good. And then phonia or phone, a sound. So a good sound. Yeah, phone can also be a human voice. So a good voice, somebody who speaks in a good voice, is euphonious. So now you're going to ask me about formality. This is very literary, very formal. Don't use it in an informal conversation. You might use it in a semi-formal writing. Use it in something formal, something descriptive. A descriptive essay is a brilliant word to use. It's not a common choice of word, but it's definitely a great word for you to use. So, euphonious, sounding good, particularly somebody's voice. He has a very euphonious way of speaking. Yeah, but other things could be euphonious as well. Yeah, things that sound very good, but as I said, particularly voices. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Euphonious.